So I just wake up, guys. Today is January 18 and I will be having this coffee stick. So I get this only in our neighbor's coffee area. But anyways, this is the one that's left. I went to a store nearby, but they are closed, so eventually I wasn't able to go to the other store far away a little bit from here because I'm not prepared yet. So I just woke up and I just want to get something to drink, like my favorite coffee, because I'm so addicted in it, on this coffee. So I have this water right now and it's already boiled or hot. So let's see. So this is going to be the thing to start my day. Coffee is life. So yeah, I had a very long sleep. I started to sleep like 2 a.m. until 10:30 already. It's quite long, and yeah, I really had a very busy day yesterday. It was a lot of customers and we really had to work on for 11.5 hours, so it's a tiring day for me. And yeah, so let's make this coffee. My coworkers also sent me some food lunch back, as you see here on my back. So that's the one that they sent me here, or they give to my neighbors, and then they bring it here for me for my lunch. So because as always when I came there, I always go like 11:30, so that's the exactly time for me to work because we have to work for 11.5 hours. So yeah, so I'm gonna drink, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, guys, and I'm gonna have but first I'm gonna show you first what is my breakfast, or my breakfast, and at the same time lunch. So you know that I am very small eater of rice, but I think this is still a lot. Yeah, so I have here fried bangus, and I have here a rice, 1 cup of rice for sure. So let's try this with the coffee. It's very perfect, guys. I love this bangus. I really miss this. When I was a kid, when I was at home with my parents, they always love to cook bangus, especially with the soup. Yeah, I really love it. Sinigang na bangus. And this time I had this fried bangus. So let's try it. Good. Alright, so good morning everyone. It's now currently 10:05 and I have this breakfast. So I have noodles. So if you are living alone, or if you are working, if you are shifting, like working long hours, then you might understand how the life goes. So I have here a coffee and I have here a noodles. So anyways, the management told us that we can go very early, like 11, something like that, so we have time for eating there. But I'm not feeling like going very early because it's gonna be very long day work, so I have to stay a little bit just for me. And I have here a noodles, I have here a coffee. So this is going to be my breakfast. Let's eat. Good morning. Alright, so I already showed you my food, and it's currently 10:07, which I mentioned it already. So this morning, or after I woke up, I checked all the clothes that I have upstairs, if they are still okay or not. So they are still okay. I don't have a pit or pumpkin pit for the clothes, so I'm not really sure if it won't fly away in the other buildings. So one panties already fly away there, and I was not able to get it because I have to walk all the way to the main road and then get it inside the restaurant, something like Korean or Chinese restaurant, something like that. So I have to walk over there. So I didn't feel like going there last night because it fell down last night when I was hanging my clothes, all the clothes that I have, especially the uniforms, the shorts that I have to wear for a whole week. So I was not able to get that. Yeah, that was just a gift from my friend, and yeah, I was not able to get it. So I see it this morning, and it was like 30 already. So yeah. So the next time I really have to be careful on the panties or undies that I'm hanging there, because they called it in the attic. So it's in the attic. It's on the third floor of this building, and we are on the ground floor. So currently I'm having my noodles and then my coffee. So I have 1.5 hours before I have to go to my work, and I have to, my preparation will be not that long, but for not that long for me, but it's long enough for sure for everybody, especially if you are in hurry on your work or something like that. So this morning I was able to wake up at 9 a.m. Usually I woke up very late, like 10:30. My alarm will be 11, something like that. So it's okay for me even I have a 30 minutes preparation. So anyway, for today's vlog pala, we're gonna talk about all the things that we really need to know if you're working, and I'm gonna show you guys all the things, the reality of life as a worker in the Philippines as well. So I have watched already a lot of vlogs that they are doing on the other country, like Canada. So that's the one that I spent most of the time yesterday. So I had my break time and I watch all those vlogs about how their works looks like in Canada, something like that. So I just want to also to make something like how work looks like in the Philippines. So I hope that my voice is clear. I had only my phone here because I don't use my microphone. I have my microphone, but it's not Type-C, so I was not able to charge it. I have to charge it first before I can use it, so it will work. Anyways, I am currently charging as well, so that's funny thing, right? I have to charge it every time when I was in my workplace, and I have to charge it here also because it's now 5%. So just imagine, I'm not the kind of person na I was not able to charge my cell phone. Yeah, it's already my routine that it's always low bat if I was not able to charge it in my workplace. So yeah. It's going to be a long day work today because it's 11 and 30 minutes. So here's the story about that. We have original 11 hours of work, and since there's 3 already workers that left because some of the reason I was not able to mention here anymore because it's gonna be very long story. But yeah, so to make a story short, the workers there was 27, including the kitchen, dining, and everything. So yeah, we have to sacrifice a little bit, so the management had a little 30 minutes or 30 minutes more for work, so we can still manage we can still manage on the dining area and everything. So yeah, it's going to be very tiring. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's the same day yesterday, because yesterday it was not that so much, not so many customers. So hopefully today will gonna be very easy day for me. And yeah, so I have a shifting again. It's 2 days, so the schedule will be at 11:30 until 11. So I'm gonna be go home here in the midnight later, and I have to. That's the reason why also that I have to fix all the things that I have there, especially my clothes and my uniforms, to wash it and everything. So that's really good on 1 week. So yeah, so let's eat muna, guys. I'll just what else did I forget? Yeah, I have a 2-day shifting, so today and then tomorrow, and the next day is another shifting again. So it's like 2 days and then shifting, opening and then closing. So our opening will be 5:30 until 12:30, and then I'm going back here 5:30 until 10 p.m. and then the closing will be 11:30 until 11 p.m. in the midnight. So that's the kind of a long work, hard work, something like that. So anyway, guys, let's gonna eat my noodles. So I will have to try this one because I really want to tell a story about everything. Good. My favorite. I love coffee. So that's the reason why. Coffee is life. And what is funny, guys, is when I was in the workplace, I always had my coffee. Not like every moment, every minute, but most of the time, I really wanted to drink something or fluid, fluid or water, especially coffee. I'm a coffee lover, and if you know that, then I am happy. Good morning. So it's currently 10:39 and I am boiling water right now from the heater. So I will gonna be making a coffee for myself. It's currently 11:39 and in less 1 hour I will be having my duty. So let's go.